Learn English to Gujarati. Present perfect with
મેં ખાધું છે.
and.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
Welcome to Gujarati Wins. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Gujarati phrases without suffering through a boring grammar swamp. Today you will listen, laugh, and actually remember them. Our mission is simple. Survive a very dramatic day using 5 mighty phrases. By the end, you will know how to say
મેં ખાધું છે.
for, I have eaten.
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
For, I have worked.
હું ગયો છું.
For, I have gone.
હું આવ્યો છું.
For, I have come, and
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
for, we have learned. Yes, you and your brain are now officially a study team. The hungry auntie problem. Let us begin with the phrase that may save your stomach at a family gathering. Imagine someone trying to feed you for the 5th time. Auntie appears with a mountain of snacks and says, "Eat more." You smile politely and answer,
મેં ખાધું છે.
"That means, I have eaten." If she still approaches with another plate, upgrade your defense system.
મેં પહેલેથી ખાધું છે.
I have eaten already. If you need maximum politeness, try,
માફ કરશો, મેં ખાધું છે.
"Sorry, I have eaten." Memory trick. Pat your stomach gently and say,
મેં ખાધું છે.
"Congratulations, you have unlocked the anti-overfeeding shield." The hero of the office. Now let us leave the dining table and enter the kingdom of emails, deadlines, and suspiciously cold tea. Time for, I have worked. You close your laptop like a movie star ending a final scene and say,
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
I have worked. Need more context? Try,
મેં આખો દિવસ કામ કર્યું છે.
I have worked all day. If someone asks why you look tired, you can say,
હું થાક્યો છું કારણ કે મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
I am tired because I have worked. Tiny memory hook.
કામ.
Means work. So when your fingers are tired from typing, tell the world.
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
Gone or come. These next two are sneaky twins. One means you left, and one means you arrived. Your job is not to mix them up and accidentally confuse the whole neighborhood. If you have gone, say,
હું ગયો છું.
I have gone. Picture footprints leading away from a door. That is,
હું ગયો છું.
if you have come, say,
હું આવ્યો છું.
I have come. Picture yourself arriving at the door with a bag and a dramatic entrance theme. That is,
હું આવ્યો છું.
quick contrast. Leaving is,
હું ગયો છું.
arriving is.
હું આવ્યો છું.
One is goodbye, one is ta-da. Mini dialogue chaos. Now you will hear these phrases in a playful scene. Try to picture it like a comedy sketch in your head. Friend, are you hungry? You.
મેં ખાધું છે.
Boss, did you finish anything today? You, trying not to sound offended.
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
Friend on the phone. Where are you? You.
હું ગયો છું.
Same friend 5 minutes later. Wait, are you here now? You.
હું આવ્યો છું.
Study group at the end of class.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
Yes, this day has terrible planning, but excellent language practice. We have learned. You are not studying alone anymore. Now we go from I to we, which feels nice and slightly more powerful. The phrase is,
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
it means we have learned. Imagine a classroom full of proud students saying together.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
A longer example is,
શાળામાં અમે સાથે શીખ્યા છીએ.
at school, we have learned together. Another useful one.
અમે અમારી ભૂલોથી શીખ્યા છીએ.
We have learned from our mistakes. A beautiful sentence, and also the slogan of everyone who has ever burned toast. Speed drill. Your turn now. I say the English, and you try the Gujarati in your head or out loud before I give it to you. I have eaten.
મેં ખાધું છે.
I have worked.
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
I have gone.
હું ગયો છું.
I have come.
હું આવ્યો છું.
We have learned.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
If you got even some of those right, your brain deserves a tiny parade. Final challenge. Let us finish with a tiny story challenge. See if you can follow the whole adventure. You arrive at a house and announce.
હું આવ્યો છું.
Then someone offers you food, but you say.
મેં ખાધું છે.
After that, your phone rings and you explain you are tired because.
મેં કામ કર્યું છે.
Then somehow you leave again and text.
હું ગયો છું.
Finally, in your study group, everyone smiles and says.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
That story made very little life sense, but perfect language sense. Thanks and keep going. Nice work, you made it. You practiced real Gujarati phrases that you can actually use. Today you learned.
મેં ખાધું છે. મેં કામ કર્યું છે. હું ગયો છું. હું આવ્યો છું.
And.
અમે શીખ્યા છીએ.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and come back tomorrow so your Gujarati gets stronger one fun step at a time.